Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 1, leçon S. So let's have a look in this lesson to the disjunctive pronouns. So I've been making a lesson explaining how to use them, in what situations we should use them, okay? But I thought it might be useful to just take a few minutes to see them one more time. But in that case, I will just list them and we will pronounce them together, okay? So let's start. Me, moi, moi, moi. You, and it will be for the singular form here, toi, toi, toi. Him, lui, lui, lui. Her, elle, elle, elle. Us, nous, nous, nous. You, so this one will be for the plural form, or then it could be also used as the formal way to address to someone, only one person. Remember, it's a polite form. Vous, vous, vous. Them, eux, eux, eux. Them, and in that case it's the feminine form. Elle, elle, elle.